with sounds and words, come sing with me.
A is for apple, A is for ant, B is for ball, B is for bear, C is for cat, C is for car, D is for duck, B is for egg, is for elephant, F is for fish, F is for fan, G is for goat, G is for gift, H is for hat, H is for hen, I is for igloo, I is for insect, J is for jam, J is for jug, K is for kite, K is for key, L is for lion, L is for leaf, N is for net, N is for moon, N is for net, N is for net, Q is for pen, Q is for queen, Q is for queen, Q is for quilt, R is for ring, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for sock, T is for toy, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, U is for up, V is for van, V is for vest, W is for watch, W is for wig, X is for box, X is for styrofoam, Y is for yak, yak is for you, yo. Z is for zebra, Z is for zip, That's our song from A to Z. Thank you, friends, for singing with me. Now you know